welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to leave ESPN Fantasy League on the app. To leave the ESPN Fantasy League on the app, you have to follow the steps. So first thing first, open up your ESPN League application. And next thing you want to do is log in. Once you're logged in, from the top right hand side corner, press the league button, and here you want to go ahead and select the league that you want to leave. After you've selected the league, it's going to take you to the page, which is going to look something like this. In the top right hand side corner, you could see the leave league option. When you actually press on that option, what happens is that you'll be able to see a pop-up menu and all that. So click on the confirm button and you should be able to leave it. Now likewise, you cannot leave after the draft is done. That is why the option isn't available in my case as well. So if you want to go ahead and join the group or a league once again, then you need to go through the draft procedure, and only then you could rejoin the group or the league. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.